Yo, what's up, guys? This is Baro, aka Invest Mentor, and yeah, thanks for watching today. In today's live stream on June 25th, another Friday. Thanks, guys. It's Friday again. We're gonna have a quick review to see what's going on for this week about some of the meme stocks, about some of the what just happened to the China government ban on cryptocurrency and the pullback of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and all the cryptocurrency. Okay. Before everything, let me. Okay. So. And also, I think like in today's live stream, I would like to because I mean like this week is kind of like boring for the global financial market. It's kind of like boring for the stock market. Nothing really special, exciting just come out other than the Chinese ban or I mean another ban for cryptocurrency for Bitcoin mining to drag the Bitcoin price further down. And other than that, not really much exciting news. And yeah, we can see like a couple, like a few, like a meme stock names like come up, but no much like the movements and price movements for those meme stocks or have been not that much like up and down in this week. So like after a boring week, I mean it's Friday and I hope you will have a nice weekend in advance, and then I'm hoping to I'm hoping to have more like a to like chit chat, like easy chatters with you for your life, for my life, for career, for personal life, for family, for friends, for everything. Okay. Sometimes we just need to relax a little bit. Okay. So, I mean, like, what's been going on? What's been going on for your life so far? So, I mean, like, yeah. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, thanks for the watching, and thanks for your time. And yeah, I mean, like, let's spend some more time for some like a chit chat about the work. I mean, it's Friday morning, so I mean, if you are in the office or you're just like you just like woke up to spend some time with your family, like what are you doing right now, and how have you been doing for your job, and how have you been going through or like suffering through the pandemic since last year? Are you doing okay? Yeah, I mean, I would like to share something. As put in the description for my YouTube channel, I went to the U.S. For graduate school for MBA in like 2011, and after that I got a few year experience working in Wall Street as a corporate banking analyst, and that moved to Hong Kong as a global institutional sales and traders for stocks, for futures and funds. And like started from last year, I just temporarily moved back to Taipei. I'm originally Taiwanese, and then because of the pandemic, and then yeah, I mean, like like everyone hate the COVID-19, the hate the virus, right? Yeah, me too, of course. But I think it's I mean, like in the past 2 years, I started realize um for everything, for every story, for every person, for everyone, everything. Like we always have like at least two or even more aspects to look from. So for the pandemic, like it's been killing a lot of people and like messing around, but I believe that a lot of people around the world have been learning a lot from these disasters, and also I mean finding a lot of the true value from these disasters. No matter you have like spend more time with your families or your friends, or you just stop like going crazy to think about like money, making money like all the time. You probably think like money is not the most important thing anymore, and like you found the true priority in your life. Yeah, that's what I was going to share. And yeah, I do find it's truly valuable to see the true value with your family, with your friends, with your life. I mean, through the pandemic. Yeah, that's a good things we learn. Yeah. Okay. So other than that, like, I mean, as just mentioned, like for career, I used to work for like a financial industry, and then I feel it's really kind of like US is yeah, US was not safe. It's like, but it's like much safer right now, and yeah. Uh, yeah, I mean, like last year at the beginning of this pandemic, I was kind of like in a lot of hatred. To think, oh, this is kind of the instruction from God to the die, who is going to die, who is going to survive, and well, later on, I mean, after another like 1 to 2 years, and yeah, I think like everyone should have the right to survive, and everyone should have the right to to make a change, to be good. So yeah, and that's the same for US, right? Like I mean, I think it was a hard lesson for every American, for U.S. governments, for everyone around the globe to go through this pandemic. And yeah, and hopefully like the result like is kind of like so far so good, and the U.S. government and every American and everyone in the world has been turning into a better situation right now. And I mean like I'm in Taipei, Taiwan right now. And last year, Taiwan was like relatively much safer than the other country. But this year, I mean, especially the past couple of weeks, he just, you know, just he get fucked up, and you know, just so no matter where you are and which country you are, if it's possible, please help us to donate and you know, sell us some like a vaccine so we can survive better, okay? Because the vaccination rate in Taiwan is still very low. It's like much less than 10%. It's not like the US, like over half of the US cities, the American already got a vaccine. and like China over like 70, 80. Yeah. So we hope that the vaccine and the policy, the plan can be implemented to every country and everyone very soon. Also, sorry. So, so later on, we gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it. Hold on a second. I'll be back. Okay. Because I heard someone like holy. Sorry. Actually, I no one for me outside, and I probably have some like you know mental health issue or psychological issue lately. Yeah, because I've been like locked down at home. Yeah, I just like I just realized like how hard for all the American and all the others like Indian, European have gone through pandemic. It's really hard for lockdown. And of course, it's gonna be like much harder for them who lost their family members and that. And yeah, so that was like a paranormal activity outside. I thought someone was calling me, actually. And the Insta Instaking. I don't know why I'm lazy. But yeah, like Nokia is up for 6, the top one in stock today, but I think like through the pandemic, a lot of people are getting gone. Like I've been like okay. I'm about like 30, 40 years old, and I never imagined I would like trying to be like a YouTuber like one day. So that's why I just spent like 10 years in financial industry and got a chance to spend some time as a freelancer YouTuber right now since last year. And okay, but that's the thing. Like at the beginning, I thought it's gonna be a very interesting, exciting, and a job with a lot of fun, right? This right, you can do whatever you want, you can talk whatever you want. Yeah, it is. been interesting. However, like something I want to share is like um like in the past couple of months, uh through the time I just like working for like you know the live stream and short videos on YouTube. I actually got, I mean, I feel really fun and creative and energetic, but I also it's not as easy as I thought before, and I also got a lot of stress and you know I drank more alcohol than the time I was in banking industry, you know, and then so yeah that's my fault. That's my fault. That's my personal issue. But you know that the thing is like, I mean, when you're in a bank, when you're in a security firms, like yeah, it's kind of like stressed out, and you have to be like a hypocrite like every day, and you have to be really like uptight and you know dress up formal and talk shit every day, you know. But that's a time I mean, I think for every period of life, like you will have the transitional period, and in every transitional period it really takes a lot. It really makes you stress out a lot, and I think right now that's the transitional period. And yeah, because you have to adapt to the new environment, the new things and all that, right? I would say like in banking, in all those bank security firms, like you talk like serious shit at every day, but you probably don't need to talk about different shit and find out different shit to talk every day. But in order to be a successful YouTuber, I think you probably need to find out a lot of bullshit, a lot of creative and you know just variable, diversified bullshit every day to talk. That's really hard. That's really hard. That's the thing I just found out so hard to be a YouTuber. But but that's a challenge. That's a challenge. We just need to have a lot of challenge in our life, and that's something I want to keep on doing. And I mean, like, thanks for watching. Like, I mean, thanks for like wasting some time on the shit I've been talking to the past couple of months, and I will keep like struggling to talk more shit in the future, okay? But meaningful shit. So, okay, so the music I just turned down. Be sure they okay. So you know on like means that in the chat we don't hear nothing about those. Live. Okay. Yeah, I'm married. Easy. That's a big list I ever learned. Certainly a time. money, investment, and trading, they have been important for investment and trade. They are not all. They are not. Sophia is our because she. I'm really interested in Sophia's like. Yeah, God bless Taiwan. Taiwan is up. Help us. Help Taiwan. Love you all too, and please stay safe. Yeah, I need drink. I need drink. But I drank too much. I drink too much. I've drank too much because of you know, I'm so eager to become a interesting YouTuber right now. I mean, I've been a like boring banker, like a security broker in the past 10 years, and it's really hard for me to become an interesting banker all of a sudden. So I've spent a lot of time watching all those like YouTubers videos, and actually I don't really think that those YouTubers are interesting, exciting, or fun, but they just have a lot of subscribers and viewers, and yeah, but I mean, like, of course I respect them. Like, each one of them has their own value, and that's something I have to learn on. Do you have any comments like how I can improve, how I can make some like change? America is the we're still like going. Actually, you know, it's like Friday morning, and I'm like drinking coffee, like mixed with some of the remaining alcohol I got from last night. And but I will drink more, definitely. Drink more with my teams, with my boss, with my beloved teammates, and all those like smart and brilliant people. I have to drink a lot, but in my past experience, at least in the last one, in the last couple of times, I mean, I was always the one drinking the most. You know, I was always the one getting wasted. Okay, so and why I got wasted? I don't know, because I probably think like everyone in the team in the kind of like a YouTubing like industry like, are more creative, are more like, you know, just unlimited. So I just do whatever as a beast, you know, as a beast would do, you know. Comparing to the life I had before, I probably they're not, because those like serious face, like a, you know, green face looking guy in pink. That was like too new hand 2 years ago. I'm still very young right now, and I still don't know much, and I'm just like struggling to share and find out some interesting thing to share in this. Yeah, I want vaccine. I want vaccine for sure, because that's based on statistic. I mean, you know, just like investment and financial trading, a lot of times based on statistic. I mean, when you have like more vaccination rate, the death rate is just coming down, and that's just So I mean, even though like some like conspiracy theory saying like people are becoming like you know, becoming like I mean zombie or something after vaccine. I think that's too much, but you know, it's better to be a zombie instead of just a dead. Yeah, Sophia is like very hyper. Sophia probably just went for a party last night somewhere in LA. No, I don't. I don't make money and spend all in booze. I also, you know, do a lot of drugs and I bought a lot of guns and spend out a lot of like dirty things before. You know, that's the thing. That's the thing. You know, when you make some dirty money, you just have to spend all the money in some like dirty way. Okay, so that could be a balance in your life. You cannot make some dirty money and use that money to donate to the charity. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. That's a really dirty thing. So you have to make dirty money and spend the dirty money in some dirty way. Okay, you only use the clean and the blast money to donate to the charity. Okay, so I use the money I made from YouTuber, from those you know, from making. I use the money I make from the right way to donate to the charity. Okay, that's the thing. 89, 80, Monday morning. Yeah, changing it easy, man. But we have to change, man, because you know, when you would like someday, like sooner or later. Okay, so today we will have like a Hannigan sponsor. Okay, I was just kidding. I was just kidding. I'm not sponsored by anyone. This is not financial advice. This is not like a sponsor by anyone. This is just purely entertaining for entertaining educational purpose. Okay, have fun, chill. Okay, so changing and easy, man. Yeah, changing and easy. Changing is never easy, and and I mean, we could never change until one day we just have to change, right? That's the thing for everyone's life. I mean, me, you, no one is going to change until one day we have to change, right? Before that day, we will never change. No matter it's a change about your hobby, no matter it's a change of your lifestyle, it's a change about the way you're making money, the change about the way you treat your family, it's about a change of way of your, yeah, a lot of things, your the way of your thinking, right? But I think like in the past 2 years, I'm not sure if it's the thing for everyone, but I think a lot of people have changed a lot in the way we think, in the way we treat people, in the way we like value things. That's the thing as I mentioned, okay, in the live stream. I would say the live stream like today, hopefully, you know, you think it's kind of like boring. Or, yeah, it's probably more valuable than all the every. I'm not gonna compare with the others, but you know, because I think in a lot of like the financial YouTubers video, a lot of time we just try to talk some shit and try to be like creative and like, stuff up all the videos and make it more informational, like seemingly informational and helpful. But actually, yes or no, we have to define that. Yeah, so I think we can in this entire this entire live stream, right? Today. Just hold on a second. I just heard someone's calling me out. Sorry, I just keep having kind of illusion because no one was actually calling me outside. Okay, so that was a paranormal activity again, and that's really good. But the thing is, I went out and I saw my boss was having fun with a street girl outside, and yeah, street girls calling a street girls in Friday morning. In the pandemic, everyone's crazy, right? Everyone's crazy. Everyone's drinking every night and trying to do some gambling every day. That's terrible. So, as just mentioned, for everything, every person, every situation, we always have two sides or many sides. We can be good, we can be bad, and we can learn, we can fall for everything. Okay. So yeah, but I'm not saying it's a falling for my boss to call stripper, right? Calling stripper is nothing wrong, right? Yeah, it's because they're probably planning for some kind of an entertaining show for the weekend to collaborate with some big band or something in the concert. So yeah, that's probably something I don't understand. So I better shut up. Okay. Uh, oh, you mean stripper? Stripper is actually the expense for entertaining in Taipei is not much less than that in the US. A food is much cheaper. So yeah, so stripper or dancer or hooker or whatever. You probably can spend like 100 or 200 for one. It's even more expensive than that in the US. And the quality in the US is fucking awesome. So that's how American dream come true, right? Street dancing American dream. My family life, yeah, so I think I cherish my family life a lot and love everyone in my family. Although I'm not good enough to be a member in my family. I just fuck with my wife and just piss off my dad. Very often, and so that's how I feel really guilty, and I just need to I just need to spend a lot of time to pay back the debt. I mean, it's not pay back the debt. It's not financial debt, but it's like relatively psychological debt. Uh, but it's a good thing. I mean, before 2000, 2020, 2021, I never had this kind of thoughts. I always thought that they owe me. It's not like I owe them, but like through the past 2 years, I totally changed my mind to think I owe them a lot. I owe them a lot. So I have to pay that. Okay. So I think that's the change a lot of people have in the past 2 years. When we keep thinking, oh, the others just owe me, and I'm so like unhappy, and the life is not gonna be good. But when we started thinking like we actually owe the others, we owe our friend, we owe our boss, we owe our co-workers, we owe our family, then we will just started doing something good and started having some good attitude towards them, right? That's the difference. And we're dressed. As you can see, the market is not. Okay, very Very Mike thing. I'm so sad and I need a tick. I need a tick. Nice. I better not. Okay, the topic today once again is like kind of like inspection, rethink through the way we trade and finance, and we're gonna think if like trading and finance is so important all along the way. Okay, so I was going to just like check into some like technical analysis and all the chart for some of the stocks, for some of the main stocks and the cryptocurrency stocks we just went through in the past week, and but obviously they don't change. So probably like everyone right now. Okay, let's come back to meme stock. So like you can see Torch, you can see like Clover. I sold all my Clover. So you can see Clover, you can see Torch. Clover and Torch have seen two of the major targets to for so-called like meme crowds. Okay, but this is obviously so obvious. This is obviously a scam and manipulation. I mean, I just mentioned about the manipulation and the potential conspiracy and scam for all the meme stuff. And I think like in the past 1 week, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of like mainstream media have like reported and mentioned about potential scams and manipulation in all the like social media sites, in Wall Street bets, in Twitters, in everywhere. The chart doesn't look like just I mean, it's good for like a day trading, but if you want to do for if you want to go for investment for just like a few days or over a week, you probably really careful target. If you really want to look into the, probably cannot even do like the by the look of the chart, probably cannot even do any technical analysis. Seriously, because it doesn't follow. It has no fundamentals, and it's not influenced or decided by the trading volume, by the patterns and charting everything. It's just totally gambling. It's just totally like 100% based on the luck opportunity. So if you are 100% pure gambler, maybe some of the meme stocks would be good for you to go. Otherwise, you better stay away. And I think like one thing is relatively more interesting that I felt today. It's like meme stock market trend around AMC. GameStop and the other meme stocks may be more persistent than you think. Okay, so it's according to Betterment. As with many anecdotal studies, the Betterment report concluded that government stimulus check and the stay-at-home protocols in place during the worst of the COVID-19 pandemic helped to foster the move by retail investors into trading and investing. According to Betterment report, while most day traders indicated their main reason for doing so was that they believed they could make more money in a short period of time, about like 50% of those survey saying that. Also many, about like 43% of the survey, also indicate it was because it is fun and entertaining. So a lot of people, almost like like 43% of the survey is still saying they trade meme stock because they feel it's fun. They find fun and entertaining by trading meme stock, according to the report. So about 54% of respondents say that the pandemic made them trade more often. Obviously, the idea that retail investing will continue to be a phenomenon may not be far-fetched at all, even if the meme stock Fed subsidized somehow. According to the estimate from JP Morgan Security, new brokerage accounts opened by individual investors have already roughly matched the total created through 2020, hitting more than 10 million in just the first half of 2021. So people are still like rushing to opening account to trade like meme stocks and the cryptocurrency. And I cannot say that. I don't know if it's good or bad, because we will never know, right? A lot of time only God knows about it. But I mean, I think like you and me, I would still hope those who really need money would not suffer too much loss from meme stock and cryptocurrency. And those who already have a lot of money, no one care about you. You just suffer a lot, just lose all the shit. And to help some like poor people, probably that would be a good thing. Okay, so okay, so that's an interesting thing too. And maybe because the time is limited and my boss is still like having fun with the street girl outside. I probably need to help out something outside. So that's pretty much for the live stream for today. And as you know, the market is not moving much today. So we'll have more for this like meme stock and cryptocurrency stock in the next live stream or short video. And please, after the chatting, the live stream chatting, please also strike the like button and subscribe, and also leave some comments in the comments if down below this video. Any of your thoughts and comments, and how you feel, what's your work and what's your life going on, and how we can improve to have a better life. Okay, so yeah, thanks for your time and thanks for watching today. So hope you have a really great weekend with your family and friends. So let's have more until next time. See you.